Welcome to online WHS training tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn what you need to do in the online WHS system when a new employee starts. As an employer, you must ensure the health, safety and welfare of employees in the workplace. The online WHS system has been developed to help provide a safer workplace for your employees if used correctly. So what do you do in the online WHS system when a new employee starts? Starting a new employee is a 4-step process. Step 1 is entering the employee into the system. Step 2 is undertaking a training needs analysis. Step 3 is assigning the inductions to the employee. And Step 4 is introducing the employee to the online WHS system. Step 1. Entering the employee into the system. Select the User Admin Dashboard link and then the Employee Register. Select Add New Employee. Enter the name of the employee into the field supplied and relate the employee to a site and position. Complete the form, making sure to select the calendar icon to enter the employee start date. You can also add any qualifications of the new employee into the system and upload their documentation. Enter the employee's email address if they have one, remembering that employees without an email address will not be able to be assigned any alerts. Select the Save and Set Permission button for employees who will have access into the system. The employee has now been entered into the database. By selecting the Edit button, you can see that the employee has been given an auto-generated username and password. You can change this username and password to suit your needs and to make it easier for the employee to remember. Now the employee has been entered into the system and given a username and password, you will need to undertake a training needs analysis, which is Step 2 of the process. The training needs analysis is undertaken so you can identify what inductions and training the new employee will need to undertake. Remembering that inductions must be given when an employee first starts at the workplace, and at a minimum should cover how OHS is managed in the workplace, how to report hazards and other safety issues, the emergency procedures, what health and safety procedures are there for their tasks, and what information there is available to help them to do their jobs safely, and anything else important for working safely. The training needs analysis will help you identify these tasks that the employee will undertake, remembering that inductions should have already been built inside the system for these tasks. See the tutorial on how to use the induction module if this has not been undertaken. Again, the importance of the training needs analysis is highlighted, as you may identify in your analysis the need for certain inductions or training modules. Once completed, you can move on to the next step. Step 3 is assigning the inductions to the employee. Training and supervision are important for a safe workplace. Most safety accidents in the workplace happen as a result of employees not properly understanding your OHS policies and procedures. So how can you ensure your employees are fully aware of these company's policies and procedures? Well, the best way is to induct the employee into them. Select Manage Inductions next to the employee in question. A list of inductions that you have entered into the system via the induction icon in the User Admin section can be seen. Tick the boxes of the inductions you wish to assign to the employee, which you identified during the training needs analysis process. Now you have entered the employee into the system. You have identified the inductions and trainings needed. You have assigned the identified inductions, The last step in the process is introducing the system to the employee, so they know how to undertake the inductions and also how to obtain any documentation needed, or to log a hazard or an accident. The online WHS system has developed a tutorial to help you with this process. Select the Employee Induction to the online WHS system. This tutorial will highlight the employee's responsibility to cooperate with your efforts in providing a safe workplace, and also introduce the online WHS system to them, showing them how to undertake an induction and also obtain documentation to help them work safely. The only thing left to do is to send the username and password to the employee. You can do this at the bottom of the employee form, or if you wish, you can send it by other means. Once the employee knows their username and password, then make sure they know where to log in. So now you have completed the 4-step process of starting a new employee. Workplace safety is an ongoing issue, so make sure to re-induct the employee into any changes to policies and safe work procedures, and anything that will help provide the employee with a safe workplace. For more information, visit our website.